If you go to the App Store on Amazon Fire tablet and try to install an app such as YouTube by tapping on Get and then selecting Download, you might get this message saying app purchase failed. And it seems it's something to do with one-click payment method. So if you select update one click and then select a valid credit card payment or add a credit card and then tap on continue, it still doesn't work. I tried lots of different things and nothing worked except alternative way of installing apps on Fire tablet. So in order to install any app on Fire tablet, select the Amazon Shop app, tap on sign in, enter your email or phone number and then tap on continue, enter your password and sign in. Then you need to tap on your name in here, scroll down and make sure the country that's shown in here is the country that you are living. If it is different, then tap on it and then select the country that you're living. And then tap on go to website. Now the website might look different based on your country. And now if you tap on your name again, you can see the options are different. So you need to scroll down and select your apps and devices. Then tap on your devices. Then find your tablet in here. Then tap on actions and then select manage your content and devices. And then select preferences. Then scroll down and select change your country, region, and make sure the country and the region is correct. The most important thing in here is that the country in here should match the country of the credit card. For example, for me, the country of the credit card is Italy, even though I am using this tablet now in the UK. So click on edit payment method. Make sure the payment method that you have selected in here is still valid. Now tap on here to close this. Tap on here and select the country where your credit card is from. Then I select go to website. After saving my cookies preferences, I go to the search and type the name of the app that I want to download, which is YouTube app. Once you select the app, then scroll down under the deliver to, select your tablet's name and then tap on get app. And in here you can see it should automatically deliver to your tablet. You can see the symbol up here that it is downloading. And then if you scroll down from top of your tablet, you should see the notification saying that app is installed successfully. And then if you tap on it, it would open. In the same way, I managed to successfully install a few other apps onto my Fire tablet. I found this solution by lots of trial and error. So please let me know in the comments whether this method worked for you and whether the steps were the same. If you think that some of the steps that I've mentioned in this video were unnecessarily, or in your case you had to do some additional steps, please let me know in the comments below.